last occasion, your Lordship asked the SP to come here to show that whether any notice was received by the petitioner or served to the petitioner before inquiry. That is the only question for at present, my lord, for your Lordship.
Who has filed counter affidavit?
My lord, SSP, my lord, Muzaffarpur. SSP Muzaffarpur.
Once when it was filed by the office, then that was rejected. Office filed that your Lordship rejected it, and thereafter SSP has filed it.
No, why it was rejected?
Vice Bala, your Lordship rejected.
This is
22.
Who is Jayant Khan?
My lord, Jan,
My previous SSP, sir, my previous SSP, sir, I joined this district 2nd January.
No, where has he gone, Jayant Khan?
he has promoted to the DIG, my lord.
On what date?
On my lord, 29th most probably.
Yes, 31st December, sir. 31st December, sir. He promoted as DIG PMT.
He will join on 2nd itself.
On that day, I have filed my lord supplementary counter affidavit, personal.
Akash Kumar.
My lord.
Yes, sir.
Now, who has filed personal affidavit?
My lord, this Rakesh. On 2nd January.
No, have you taken the permission of this court for filing affidavit?
No, my lord.
Why?
Because my lord, there is my lord, not specifically for the by named my lord, only for the designation my lord to file the contract.
Read order dated 12/22/2022.
Yes, yeah.
Who has to file?
On that date, my lord.
Who has to file?
SSP Jaykant Singh.
Why he has not filed? Assuming that he has been promoted or elevated to next promotion post, is it not necessary to make an application to recall this order and asking the present incumbent to file a personal affidavit? We will impose exemplary cost. This is not the way of treating the orders of this court. When this court specifically orders Mr. So and so is required to file his personal affidavit, merely because he was promoted, he can escape.
Escaped my lord by.
Sir, where is the application for recalling this order? Yes, Mr. SSP, can't you read this order? Have you read this order? Sir, you joined, correct, sir? You have filed an affidavit. You have filed your personal affidavit. Have you filed your personal affidavit or not? Then have you not gone through this 22/12/2022 order? When you are swearing a personal affidavit, is it not necessary to examine previous orders?
He has mentioned, my lord, in his, my lord, he has mentioned in paragraph, my lord.
What he has mentioned?
My lord, the Shri Jaykant.
Has he taken permission of this court? Then?
Actually, my lord, we are, my lord, in impression, my lord, that is.
Your impression will give the order now. You are supporting your decision?
No, I am not supporting, my lord.
Then?
One week time I will maybe granted, my lord, he will file, my lord.
So we will impose a cost. Such a senior officers, they don't read the orders and file personal affidavit.
Sorry, my lord, on this behalf, my lord. No, I am very
No, what is meant by sorry?
sorry, my lord. As an impression, my lord.
On 22/12/2022, the following order was passed. Full stop. Before the
Also Jayant नाम से फाइल
before the 3/1/2023, Sri Jayant Khan was the then senior superintendent of Muzaffarpur. has been promoted to the next higher post, and he has been posted out of Muzaffarpur. Therefore, he has not filed his personal affidavit in terms of the order dated 22/12/2022. However, there is no application for recalling this order or filing his personal affidavit. On the other hand, on 3/1/2023, it was noticed that Mr. Rakesh Kumar, Senior Superintendent of Police, Muzaffarpur, who has sworn the affidavit on 3/1/2023, and he was asked to appear in person today. To the perusal of the affidavit, personal affidavit of Mr. Rakesh Kumar is also silent about earlier order dated 22/12/2022. In other words, there is no application for recalling the order insofar as who has to file personal affidavit. Senior officers in the police department are sidetracking the court orders while filing their personal affidavit. They must be careful in future for the reasons that on 22/12/2022, prior to 22/12/2022, the then Senior Superintendent of Police Muzaffarpur was directed to file his personal affidavit. On the other hand, he had filed counter affidavits. Further, on 2/1/2023, incumbent Mr. Rakesh Kumar, Senior Superintendent of Police Muzaffarpur, has sworn personal affidavit. Both the officers have failed to take note of earlier orders of this court as to what is required to be complied. Therefore, cost of rupees 10,000 is imposed. On the Senior Superintendent of Police Muzaffarpur. Cost shall be remitted in the High Court Legal Service Authority within a period of 4 weeks. Where is the material?
My lord. My lord.
Show cause notice issued to the respondent, petitioner, appellant in the departmental inquiry. Where is the order sheet maintained by the inquiring officer day to day?
My lord, that is not, my lord.
That is not maintained.
Not maintained, my lord.
And
my lord, he has only, my lord, there is on record, my lord, he has issued a notice, but whether he has served or not, my lord, he has not maintained, my lord, in our order sheet, my lord. Only, my lord, last order, my lord, on, my lord, 20, my lord, annexure, my lord, I have annexed in this case, my lord, annexure, my lord, E, my lord. There is, my lord, he has on 23/4/2009, my lord, personal, my lord, received, my lord, by the appellant, my lord. Prior to that, my lord, there is no, my lord.
So we will set aside and remand the matter.
My lord. During the inquiry, not a notice, my lord, sent. During the inquiry, my lord, he has not sent the notice, my lord.
He was in jail.
Jail, my lord. My lord. On that.
Have you sent a notice to the jail where he was?
Last order, my lord, was 23/4/2008. My lord sent the jail, my lord. He has received on that.
The ex parte inquiry.
My lord, ex parte.
We'll remand.
My lord.
The present LPA is filed by the appellant dash Dineshwar Singh. Questioning the order of the learned single judge dated so and so, passed in CWJC 13122 of 2015. What was the post held by him? Constable.
Havaldar, my lord. The
Havaldar.
head of the constable, that is called the Havaldar here. Havaldar constable.
The appellant, while working as a Havaldar at Chandawar Naka under Mitnapura police station in district Muzaffarpur, a case was registered as a Mitnapura PS case number 27/2005 for the alleged offence under section 377 and 323 of IPC on 28/2/2005. Arising out of the aforesaid alleged incident, he was subjected to parallel proceedings like initiation of a departmental inquiry and criminal proceedings. He was placed under suspension on 1/3/2005. Consequently, departmental proceedings were initiated via number 28/2005. The appellant was under judicial custody during the pendency of inquiry, he was under judicial custody. However, as on the date of passing final order, he was out of judicial custody. In this regard, Land Council for the appellant submitted that it is a case of ex parte inquiry and imposition of penalty. The appellant has not been provided ample opportunity of hearing or addressing his grievance or defending his taking defense against the alleged charge in a departmental inquiry. The same was not appreciated by the higher authorities. Appeal, memorial application, and so also the learned single judge. Next, arising out of the aforesaid facts and circumstances, this court directed the official respondent file personal affidavit of senior superintendent of police, Muzaffar on 24/11/2022. Order dated 24/11/2022 reads as under. Thereafter, counter affidavit was filed instead of filing personal affidavit, and counter affidavit was rejected. In the result, personal affidavit of Mr. Rakesh Kumar, Senior Superintendent of Police, Muzaffarpur, was filed on 2/1/2023. Today, learned counsel for the respondent, Mr. So and so, in the presence of Mr. Rakesh Kumar, Senior Superintendent of Police, Muzaffarpur, fairly admitted that inquiring officer has not maintained the day-to-day order sheet from the inception, furnishing up inquiring officer's report to the disciplinary authority. This suffice that appellant has not been provided opportunity of hearing in a departmental inquiry. Because of that apart, it is noticed that during the inquiry, the appellant was under judicial custody. In all fairness, inquiring authority / disciplinary authority should have deferred the inquiry matter till the appellant was out of judicial custody, so as to enable him to give ample opportunity of hearing in the inquiry matter, in the departmental inquiry. Next, in the light of these facts and circumstances, it is a clear case in not providing ample opportunity of hearing to the appellant in a departmental inquiry. That apart, it was beyond the control of the appellant in attending inquiry as he was under judicial custody. The learned single judge has failed to appreciate the aforesaid dates and events and the fact that the appellant has not been provided ample opportunity and it was beyond his control in attending the inquiry. Hence, the appellant has made out a prima facie case so as to interfere with the impugned orders cited in the writ petition CWJC 13122 of 2015. Accordingly, they are dated so and so are set aside, and order of the learned single judge is also set aside. The matter is remanded to the disciplinary authority in view of the seriousness of the charges leveled against the appellant, in the light of Apex Court decision in the case of MD ECIL so and so, Coal India so and so, para 47 to 50. Further, Apex Court reiterated principle laid down in the MD ECIL case in the case of Prabhat Kumar versus State of UP. In the light of these facts and circumstances, the disciplinary authority is hereby directed to proceed with the inquiry afresh and complete the process of inquiry within a reasonable period of 4 months from the date of receipt of this order. The appellant is hereby directed to cooperate in the disciplinary proceedings. In the present case, question of reinstatement or a suspension of the appellant is not warranted, having regard to the fact that he is overaged for reinstatement. Next part. The disciplinary authority / competent authority is hereby directed to regulate the intervening period from the date of removal from service till passing of a fresh order in the departmental inquiry within a period of 2 months from the date of passing final order in a departmental inquiry and communicate the same to the appellant. LPA stands allowed in part.
Two facts, Your Lordship. One, appellate order will also be set aside.
Sir, whatever the order you are challenged in writ petition, all these 3 orders will go.
And
I've already dictated.
one thing, Lord, if the petitioner is superannuated in the meantime, then order has to be passed under the.
It is for them. You want us to teach them a lesson?
Yes, ma'am. That's all.